Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into the world of dropshipping and showing you how to build a successful online store from scratch. If you're ready to take your e-commerce game to the next level, you're in the right place. Let's get started. Segment 1. Understanding dropshipping. First things first, let's talk about what dropshipping is and how it works. In a nutshell, dropshipping is a retail fulfillment method where a store doesn't keep the products it sells in stock. Instead, when a store sells a product, it purchases the item from a third party and has it shipped directly to the customer. Segment 2. Choosing a niche. One of the keys to dropshipping success is choosing the right niche. A niche is a specific segment of the market that you'll be targeting with your products. To succeed in dropshipping, it's crucial to choose a niche that has high demand and low competition. Segment 3. Setting up your online store. Now that you've chosen your niche, it's time to set up your online store. Fortunately, there are many user-friendly platforms like Shopify and WooCommerce that make it easy to create a professional-looking e-commerce website. Segment 4. Sourcing products. With your store set up, it's time to start sourcing products to sell. When it comes to dropshipping, finding reliable suppliers is key to ensuring customer satisfaction and repeat business. Segment 5. Marketing and promotion. Once your store is up and running, it's essential to drive traffic and generate sales through effective marketing and promotion strategies. Segment 6. Managing operations. Last but not least, managing operations is crucial to the success of your dropshipping business. From inventory management to order processing and customer service, staying organized and efficient is key. Conclusion. And there you have it. A step-by-step guide to mastering dropshipping and building a profitable online store. By understanding the dropshipping process, choosing the right niche, setting up your store, sourcing products, marketing effectively, and managing operations, you'll be well on your way to dropshipping success. Thanks for watching and happy dropshipping. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel, and stay tuned for more upcoming videos.